In this video, we're diving into how to sync your Wix e-commerce store with TikTok Shop, step by step. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you grow your online business and reach new audiences. Have you ever wondered how brands are selling directly on TikTok's Shop tab? Or maybe you've tried connecting your store, but you found the process confusing. Well, today we'll walk you through why you might want to integrate, what you need before starting, and how to connect your Wix catalog to TikTok Shop without losing your mind. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Now, why sell on TikTok Shop? TikTok isn't just a place for dance challenges and memes. It's become a powerful marketplace where users discover and purchase products directly through the app. Brands large and small are leveraging TikTok's massive, engaged audience to drive sales. According to guides from e-commerce experts, selling through TikTok Shop allows you to reach a new audience, simplify multi-channel selling, and capitalize on impulse purchases. The platform's seamless checkout process means fewer steps for customers, while native product discovery features like Shop Now buttons encourage browsing and buying without leaving the app. Benefits of syncing Wix and TikTok Shop. Centralized inventory management. Syncing means that your product details like title, price, description, inventory stay consistent across both platforms. When you update an item in Wix, it automatically updates on TikTok. Greater reach. TikTok has hundreds of millions of active users, many of whom prefer to shop within the app. Integrating with TikTok expresses your products to a younger, trend-focused audience. Simplified order fulfillment. Orders placed on TikTok Shop appear in your Wix dashboard, so you don't need to manage separate order workflows. You can process, ship, and track everything from one place. Automated marketing. TikTok's algorithm promotes products based on user interests. Once synced, your listings have the potential to be featured in recommended feeds, live streams, and the dedicated Shop tab. What you need before getting started. So before connecting Wix to TikTok Shop, make sure you have the following in place. An active Wix e-commerce plan. You need a paid Wix business to connect to the third-party marketplaces. A TikTok Seller Center account. So head to seller.tiktok.com and you can create or log in to your account. Complete the necessary verification steps, including submitting your business documents. Product eligibility. So TikTok has strict guidelines about what can and cannot be sold on the platform. Certain categories like digital products or regulated items are prohibited. Make sure that your catalog complies with TikTok's policies. Up-to-date product catalog. To avoid errors during syncing, ensure that your product titles, descriptions, SKUs, and pricing are accurate and consistent. Check your inventory counts as well. Step by step, connecting Wix to TikTok Shop. So step 1, install the TikTok catalog or TikTok Shop app. So with your Wix account, again, if you don't already have one, you can go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get started, which will bring you to this page right here. Now, again, just remember that in order to take advantage of this stuff, you're going to need the business account or the business elite account to make this possible. So Wix has two primary ways to connect TikTok: the TikTok catalog for advertising and the TikTok Shop connector for selling directly. In this tutorial, we'll focus on the TikTok Shop connector. So from your Wix dashboard, we're going to click on apps and then app market. You're going to search for TikTok Shop connector by 2 owls or the TikTok catalog sync. Click add to site and follow the prompts to install the app. Grant the necessary permissions when required. So from your Wix dashboard, all you got to do is come over here to the apps section here, click on app market. Here we can go ahead and type in TikTok, and this is what we're looking for right here, the TikTok catalog sync. So you can go ahead and click on it right here, and this is what you want to go ahead and add to your site by clicking that add to site button right there. And again, just follow the prompts on screen. Step 2, connect your TikTok Seller Center. After installation, open the TikTok Shop connector from your Wix dashboard. Click connect to TikTok. A new window will open, prompting you to log into your TikTok seller account. Enter your Seller Center credentials and authorize the app to access your store information and product data. Once connected, you may need to choose which TikTok Shop, if you have multiple, that you want want to sync with your Wix store. Step 3, create a TikTok catalog and copy the feed link. So to sync products, you need a TikTok catalog in the Seller Center. If you haven't created one yet, just in your TikTok Seller Center, go to the catalog management and click create catalog. Enter a name and select the type of catalog, which is standard for most products. TikTok will provide a data source area where you can import products via a feed link. In the Wix TikTok connector, you'll find your unique product feed URL. So copy that URL and then paste the feed URL into TikTok's data source URL field and set the sync schedule to daily, which is what we recommend, and save your settings. Step 4, import products to TikTok. Now that your catalog is set up and linked to the feed URL, TikTok will fetch product data from your Wix store. This may take a few minutes to a few hours depending on the catalog size. After import, review your products within TikTok Seller Center. Make sure titles, images, and prices are correct. TikTok may flag items that violate its policies or require additional information. Approve or publish products to make them live. You can also organize products into collections or highlight best sellers. Step 5, manage orders and fulfillment. Now, once the integration is live, orders placed through TikTok Shop will appear in your Wix dashboard under orders. So here's how to handle them. View order details. Each order will show the platform it came from, so you can distinguish TikTok orders from other channels. Process and ship. Follow your usual fulfillment process. Wix allows you to purchase shipping labels, mark orders as shipped, and send tracking numbers. Inventory sync. When an order is fulfilled, your inventory will automatically update in Wix and reflect in TikTok, preventing overselling. Step 6, keep your catalog updated. One of the benefits of syncing is automation, but you still need to maintain accurate product information. Whenever you add new products, update inventory or change prices in Wix. Those changes should sync to TikTok automatically. If you've set a daily feed schedule, it's good practice to periodically check your TikTok catalog for error, mismatched information. Alternative, manual integration via feed link. Now, if you don't want to use an app, you can still connect Wix to TikTok manually using a product feed. So here's kind of a condensed overview. First, you're going to export your products from Wix as a CSV file or use the built-in feed link provided in your Wix dashboard. Then create a TikTok catalog in Seller Center, as we talked about earlier. Upload your product feed manually or schedule periodic uploads via the data source settings. You'll need to re-upload the feed whenever you make changes, so this method definitely requires more maintenance. Manual integration gives you more control, but can be tedious for large catalogs. The app is recommended for most merchants due to automated syncing. Best practices for selling on TikTok Shop. Integrating your store is just the first step. Success on TikTok Shop depends on optimization, marketing, and customer service. Here are some tips that we recommend. Optimize product titles and descriptions. TikTok users scroll quickly. Your product titles should be concise, descriptive, and optimized for search. Include relevant keywords early. For example, retro, floral, midi dress, rather than style 2345. Keep descriptions clear and highlight the key benefits. Avoid jargon or keyword stuffing. Use high-quality images and videos. TikTok is a visual platform. Showcase your products with crisp, well-lit photos and short videos demonstrating the item in use. Possible, create videos specifically for TikTok that match the platform's aesthetic, vertical format, engaging hooks, and text overlays. Leverage TikTok ads and live streams. TikTok offers advertising options like in-feed ads, top view, and branded hashtag challenges. Start small with in-feed ads that highlight your best products. Live streaming allows you to interact directly with viewers, answer questions, and showcase products in real time. TikTok lives can boost shop sales when hosts link products directly in the stream. Offer TikTok exclusive deals. Create coupons or bundles exclusive to TikTok shoppers. Limited time offers encourage urgency and create a sense of community. Promote these deals in your videos and product pages to incentivize viewers to buy from the TikTok platform. Collaborate with influencers. Influencer marketing remains one of the most effective ways to reach new audiences on TikTok. Partner with creators whose following aligns with your target market. Provide them with unique affiliate codes or trackable links to measure performance. Authenticity is crucial here. Choose influencers who genuinely resonate with your brand. Monitor analytics and feedback. feedback. TikTok Shop provides analytics like views, conversion rates, and order volume. Analyze which products perform best, which videos drive traffic, and what times of day are most effective. Adjust your strategy accordingly. Pay attention to customer reviews and questions. Use this feedback to improve product descriptions, images, and customer service. Keep up with trends. TikTok moves fast. Stay aware of emerging trends, sounds, and challenges that align with your products. Incorporating trending audio or hashtags can increase visibility. However, make sure that trends fit your brand voice. Forced participation can come off as inauthentic. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Even with a clear step-by-step process, hiccups can happen. Here's how to handle the common challenges. Product disapproval. If TikTok rejects a product, check for prohibited content or missing information. Update your product description and reapply. If you're unsure why an item was disapproved, contact TikTok support. Sync errors. Sometimes the feed may fail to sync due to formatting issues or server errors. Ensure that your product data follows TikTok's guidelines. If using the app, reach out to the developer's support team. Inventory discrepancies. Regularly audit your inventory. If you're selling on multiple channels, for example, Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, consider using a central inventory management tool to prevent overselling. Slow sales. Selling on TikTok takes time and experimentation. Test different product categories, ad creatives, and posting times. Engage with your audience through comments and live sessions. So, syncing your Wix e-commerce store with TikTok Shop opens up dynamic sales channels that can significantly expand your reach. So, by following the step-by-step process of installing TikTok Shop connector, connecting your seller center, creating a catalog, and managing your orders through Wix, you simplify operations and ensure consistent product information. Once integrated, focus on optimizing your listings, leveraging TikTok's unique marketing tools, and staying agile with trends and customer feedback. Remember, success on TikTok Shop isn't just about setting up technology. It's about connecting the community and telling compelling stories around your products. So if you want to get started with Wix, we've got that link for you down in the description. This is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission if you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.